Hi there, Face here. Welcome back to Nick Jr. I got the hiccups. How I got these hiccups, but I didn't know that I got them. Yes, I got the hiccups. Coming up next, it's Blue's Clues from Nick Jr.